Once you've accessorized your animal, it's time to add it into a scene with a background. Click and drag your selected background onto the Documents bar above. This will open a whole new window. Now we need to find the horizon of the background image. There are several ways of achieving this, but I'll show you a rough but quick and easy way to do this. Located in your team's Week 3 folder, drag and drop the Perspective Blocks file onto your background document. Scale it up until it fits your canvas size. Click the tick to confirm your edit. It can be a little difficult to determine where the horizon line is. The horizon is the portion of your view where the sky meets the sea. This changes depending on the height and angle of where the image was taken. If we look at this scene of a car on a road, we can't clearly see the top of the vehicle, and we can't see the bottom at all, so it's likely that the horizon is somewhere around here. It's easier to find the horizon within urban imagery, or where the horizon is clearly visible, such as on the beach or atop a mountain. Now it's time to bring our animal into the scene. Change from the background document to the animal document. Click the lowermost layer, and while holding Shift, click the uppermost layer. Make sure that you're exclusively selecting your animal and its accessories. With the layers highlighted, right-click any of the layers on the right side, away from the thumbnail images. Select the option of Convert to Smart Object. This would compress all the layers into a single layer. By simply double-clicking the thumbnail layer, we can regain access to each layer. It will create a document within the document. Any changes made on this smart object will transfer onto the main document. Any changes must be saved for it to be updated on the main document. To do this, go to File, Save, or just press Command S. This is a non-destructive way to edit. Once you've converted your layers into a smart object, select it, then press Command C to copy. Go to your background document, then press Command V to paste. Scale your animal down if it's too large. Don't worry, now that it's a smart object, it won't ruin your image, and it will preserve all the details when you scale it up or down, as many times as you like. Now to find the horizon of the animal layer. Double-click the thumbnail of your animal to gain access to its original layers. Right-click the layer mask of your animal and press Disable. This will only temporarily hide your mask, and you can enable it at any time. Drag and drop the perspective blocks and scale it up, just like before with the background. We can see quite a bit of the tabletop in this image, so the horizon line will likely be quite high, somewhere around the cat's eye line or considerably above. Enable the layer mask to hide the background. Then make sure to save the smart object document for it to update on our background document. If you have aligned the horizons correctly, your animal should fit the scene easily and it should look natural. Keep playing with the scale and position of your animal, and as long as it looks right, you can move on to the next steps. Taking a break or asking somebody else to look at your animal composite is always a massive help. Once you're happy with the horizon matching, you can delete or toggle the visibility of the perspective block layer. Save and return to your background document.